Hmm. It is. You look beautiful with short hair.
Oh, that is so pretty. I could never do them curls.
Hmm. Of course not. So you better be glad I left some hair on your head. Excuse me, excuse me.
It's okay.
Hmm.
Oh yeah. Just enough.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Hey y'all. Happy, it's a day Friday.
Mm-hmm.
Happy Friday, y'all.
Thank you, Tuesday.
Hi. I'm just finishing up my guest. Let me explain to you what we did today. She came in and said she wanted short hair. Well, it was already short. And she showed me a cut that was much shorter than this. So I said, okay, she may change her mind. So let me leave some hair on her head so I can curl some. So, you see the line? Come and get that line. Yeah. So I'm finishing up. Um, this style can be either curled either way. But of course, I love my Marcells. You know how we used to twirl them. These are the like really small ones. Um, just going to put a couple of bands in the back and send her on her way. Yeah, I'm either using my Glam Sheet, Glam Pro, Glam Palm flat irons as well. Hey, Linda. You can tell I'm an old school stylist. We still use our Marcells. These new stylists today do not know how to curl Marcells. Let me show y'all. I'm wonderful, Linda. How are you? You know, I love short hair. Y'all see that? And we're almost finished. I colored her hair, so I really can't see. I'm just following the pattern, how I mold it. Just put a couple of bends in. And take some little grapeseed oil. Again, I use my nails for everything. A little Stay by Straight Request that I use. And she's done. My finished look. She can wear it either way. She can wear it molded because, of course, the cut is already in there. She can mold it after she shampoo it, or she can come back and get it curled. Yeah. Yeah, she's, you know, what makes this sexy for one is a contouring pixie. If you look at her cheekbones, she has very high cheekbones and her face is absolutely amazing. Her cheekbones would set it off. So she can wear this short hairstyle. So again, just understanding contouring because every facial shape is different. And what you do, you just contour the molding to the person's face. Um, if you like what you see what you like. This is Mavis at Indivo Hair Gallery. Yeah. So I am done. I'm going to proceed with my next client. I'm going to hang out a little bit with y'all till my next client gets here. But again, This is my finished result. She is super, super sexy. She's gonna go home and take a selfie once she get cute. So summertime, you guys get ready. Cut off all this hair. We don't need all this hair. It makes you look older. Just cut it all off. Yeah, cut it all off. I'm getting ready to cut mine all off. Yeah, I want a line. Mhm. See. Mhm.
Beautiful. I
Yeah.
love it.
Like I said, I couldn't see because I colored your hair. Like I can't see, but I made it through.
Thank you.
She said it looks. Oh, did you say? Yeah, I did say grapeseed oil. I did. Uh huh. There you go. Thank you. Thank you, honey.
You are so
Yeah,
good.
you have an amazing day. Um, yeah, Linda. I mix grapeseed oil and lavender in my oil, and that's what I curl with. The purple stuff that you see, it is some Thermosil by Influence, but I just use it very sparingly. But I do curl all of my short hair in grapeseed and lavender oil. Yeah. So I fill it up, and I use about a fourth of lavender to give it a fragrance, and that's what I curl with. Yeah, I do curl in that. Because what I want to do, I don't want the hair to be so heavy. Plus, grapeseed oil is not really heavy, but all of the thermosils and the other stuff when you get to use it, I'm not really getting that airy feel to it. Kind of weighs it down some. Plus, also when you're using your curling products, just make sure you just use it very sparingly because the more you use, it'll weigh the hair down. So again, you really don't need a whole lot for that. And that's about it. Yeah, so again, I think my next client is getting ready to come. I just wanted to chime on here to let you guys know what I'm doing on this Friday. Um, yeah, I think I may cut it short or color it platinum. What you guys think? But I'm going to do something to it. But of course, I always start out like this, but I don't end up like this. Hi, Charlize. And I think it's my 1129. I think it's my next client. But again, thank you. What else? What else? Y'all want to know anything else before I chime off? Yeah, six of y'all up here. Which I want to know right quick. Is a client, my guest out there yet? Someone out there yet? Okay. Yeah. Hi Nicole. Hey girl. Did I send you that information? If not, please inbox me so I can send you that information. I practically forgot if I didn't send it to you. But again, yeah. Yeah, give me some hearts, give me some hearts, give me some love on this Friday. I have a long day. What else? What else? Yeah. So again, I'll be coming on throughout the day to show you different head shapes and what I'm doing today and how I'm achieving the end results of my contour pixie guess. So you guys stay tuned. Anything you want to know before I leave? Y'all watching me and I'm watching y'all. What y'all want to know? Y'all want to see me doing a molding, a cutting? What y'all want to see for today? Let me know. Let me know. You want to see a color technique? What? Relaxer application. What y'all want to see today? Come on, Linda. I think I know you are a stylist. What you want to see today? What you want me to do today? Who's out there? Who's out there? Okay, the one. Yeah. So I'll probably do a probably curling technique. So again, let me go ahead on and shampoo her, and I'll chime back on, and you guys have an amazing day. Okay. Dewan. Yep, so we, hey honey, you can sit right here. Yep. So we get ready to do a curl on her, shampoo and style on her. I cut her. I think she was in one of the reels that I did. But again, when you're looking at someone's facial features, again, she has elongated face. So again, she can get away with hair being kind of stand up on the top. But again, if her face was like super elongated, guess what? I wouldn't stand it up this high. I would go more so this way to kind of even out the frame of her face. Then also looking at her outer perimeter, again, you want to check the imperfections around the outer perimeter. That's why I call myself the contour pixie, because every stylist is every client is molded differently. When I look at their facial features, I kind of go bring out what's their beautifications and then hide their imperfections. So again, she's thin here, and of course, I'm going to take that wave and bring it out here. So you're not going to see this. I'm right here. So again, when you're doing your waving, if they're thin, tip of the day, then I'm going to get off. If they're thin here, when you begin to wave, if they're thin here, guess what? You don't want to take that C and curve it in. What you want to do, still bring it out here and make another semicircle around her outer perimeter, because if you take it back, guess what? It's going to expose her weak spot here. So when I'm waving, I'm going to I kind of divide this and then wave here and then go back in and just add my personality pieces around her outer perimeter. So again, that's a tip for the day for short hair. And that's about it. Yeah, so again here, I'm going to take the hair and make that wave come in, but not the curve of the C. Because like I said, when you kind of wave it that way, you see that's exposed. But again, you just want to keep the waves on the exterior. So not exposing her imperfections. But again, let me get her molded and put her under the dryer, and I'll come back and I'll curl her. So y'all can see how I curl this lovely lady.